Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of LevelUp, a comprehensive online learning management platform built with modern microservices architecture. This is our landing page where visitors can explore the platform. Here you can see our featured courses section that displays the course thumbnails with the main details like ratings and pricings. Now let's browse through our complete course catalog. The platform provides powerful filtering and search functionality so users can search courses by topic, filter by category or difficulty level. And you can sort the courses by title, price, or rating in any order. The users can switch between grid or list view. Now let's explore a course in detail. Here we can see the key statistics like student enrollments, duration of the course, and ratings. Information about the instructor and his contact details are also available. And if you wish to purchase the course, you will first have to log in as a student. Now let's take a look at the pricing tab. Users can view our subscription plans with a toggle between monthly and yearly billing showing what's offered. Now let's explore the user journey. New users can create an account giving these details, and the platform supports email and password authentication and Google sign-in for quick access. Now let me sign in with an existing student account using my Google account. Upon successful login, you are redirected to your student dashboard. Here you can see the statistics showing enrolled courses, completed courses, and certificates earned. Using the sidebar, you can navigate to My Courses and Certificates. As you can see, there are no certificates yet. Now let me view an ongoing course. Now you can see the progress bar and the lessons completed. Course content is organized into lessons showing the lesson title, content type, and completion status. Now let's take a look at one of the lessons available. A video player is integrated with our media service to provide smooth streaming and playback controls. Now let's take a look at a quiz to demonstrate the assessment system. The quiz interface displays quiz title, the number of attempts allowed, and the pass mark. Quiz includes multiple choice questions, and then you can choose an answer and submit the answers. Once you submitted the answers, it will be auto-graded and it will display the score you received and whether you passed the quiz or not. And since this quiz is the last lesson of this course, it will be displayed in the course progress bar. And now the course is complete. Now you can rate the course and request for certificates. Once you request the certificates, in the certificates section, the student can download the certificates of the completed courses. As you can see, now you can download the certificate of the course you just completed. We have integrated a certificate provider to our system, and this certificate can be downloaded for professional portfolios or it can be shared in your LinkedIn profile. Now let's take a look at the profile section where students can manage their account settings. The students can change the profile image and the first and last names, and they can view their subscription plans. A unique feature of LevelUp is students can apply to become instructors directly from their profile. The application form requests their professional qualifications, years of experience, and the areas of expertise. After submitting, this application is sent to administrators for review. Students can see their application status, whether it's pending, approved, or rejected. Once it is approved, users gain access to the instructor dashboard and they can start creating courses. And this is it about the student dashboard. Now let's explore the instructor dashboard to see how instructors manage the courses. Let me log in using an existing instructor account. The instructor dashboard provides total students enrolled for your courses, total courses available, and the total earnings from course purchases of students. In course performances, it displays the rating and the earnings from each specific course. With the View button available, instructors can view how the course would appear to the users. Now, let's navigate to the sections using the sidebar. It includes My Courses, Create Courses, and Profile. In Create Course section, instructors can create a new course by providing the main details including the title category, tags, language, course description, and other details like price, level, and duration of the course. A thumbnail image has to be uploaded from your device and then a new course can be created. Once you create a course, you have to navigate to My Courses to add lessons and edit the course. The Edit Course page has two tabs. In the Course Details tab, you can edit basic course information like title, description, status, and course thumbnail. In the Lessons tab, you can manage the course content where you can view all the lessons with order numbers, lesson titles, content type, and status. And you can edit or add a new lesson. Now let me edit this draft quiz. Instructors can add a lesson title and change the lesson type to either text, video, PDF, or quiz. And you can set the status of this lesson. If the lesson is set to draft, it won't be displayed to the students, and it will only appear if it is published. When creating a quiz, instructors can add as many questions as they want, and each question includes question text, multiple answer options, and you have to mark the correct answer for each question. You can also delete any questions you have created so far. Once you add the questions, you can set the time limit and the number of attempts allowed for the quiz. You can also set the passing score percentage relevant to the quiz. And if you want the quiz to be accessible by students, you have to change the status of the quiz to be published. After setting it to publish, then you can save the changes and then the quiz will appear on the course content. Instructors can also change the order that each lesson would appear in the course. With the arrow keys, you can change the order of all the lessons. And when setting up a course, you can change the status of the course to draft, published, or archived. If it is draft, then the course is still being prepared and it is not visible to students. If it's published, then the course is live and it's available for enrollment. And if it's archived, then the course is hidden from the course catalog, but it is still accessible to the enrolled students. Now let's navigate to the profile section. In this section, instructor can change their bio details and update the contact details and add any new expertise they might have. And this is it about the instructor dashboard. Now let's take a look at the admin dashboard, which is a separate application for platform administrators. Let me log in with admin credentials to access the admin panel. Here's the main dashboard, and it displays the total users, total courses, and the total revenue generated, which is 20% of all the purchases. It includes a bar chart of course categories by enrollments, showing which categories are most popular. Additionally, it includes statistics on total enrollments, course completions, and the rate of completion. Now let's navigate to the instructor applications, which shows the applications submitted by the students. Here, the admin can view all the pending applications in a table with the relevant details submitted. If you reject an application with low standards, relevant student would be notified and they can reapply later. If the admin approves, the user instantly gets instructor role and receive access to the instructor dashboard. Now let's look at the subscription section. It includes the current subscription plans, and admin can either edit, deactivate, or add new plans. Now let's look at the transaction section. This displays the total revenue, total transactions, and the counts of pending and failed transactions. Transaction table displays the username with the type of transaction, amount transferred, the status, and the date the transaction occurred. Admins have powerful filtering options here and they can search for specific transactions, filtering by status, transaction type, etc. There's also a refresh button to reload the data and an export button to download reports. This is it about the admin dashboard. We are excited about the potential of this platform to transform online education and provide opportunities for both learners and educators. Thank you for watching this demonstration of LevelUp.